spraying the workbench. But yeah, we got the wiper reservoir hooked up. I mean, instead of having to physically get out and clean your windshield off, you just flip your wiper on, press your little button, boom, she starts spraying. I think it works legit. Mud, dust, snow, doesn't matter what it is. If you ride a side-by-side, windshield gets pretty useless pretty damn fast. This right here is a $15 mod, and it might be the most underrated mod you can do to pretty much any machine. If you guys have ever ridden in the rain, or maybe even right after it gets done raining and you're following someone else, it's kicking all that misty mud butt stuff that just gets all over the windshield. You have to stop like every 5 minutes, poke a hole in the water bottle, try spraying it off, wipe your windshield off so you can see. The windshield pretty much becomes useless. And having a DOT glass windshield with a wiper, highly recommend. Once you get that diarrhea mud on there, it just kind of smears it, and it doesn't really do anything. But there's a fix for that. And that fix is this $15 wiper kit I got off Amazon. All right, let's open this thing up and see exactly what comes in here. Reservoir, some wiper hose, and some hardware with some T's and a little button. It also has 2 spray things, which I'll take out here in a second, that essentially these ones are set up so you drill holes through the plastics and it just points right at the windshield. I'm gonna go a different route with it. I actually picked these Johnnies up. So these ones here will clip right on my windshield wiper itself. At least that's what I hope they're gonna do, because these ones are made for a car. And I'll put them right on the wiper, so wherever the wiper goes, it sprays in front of it essentially. I'll post the links to these down below in the description, so if you guys wanna pick them up, you can. Don't know if we're gonna need it or not, but I do have some more T's and connectors and a little bit of hose head laying around from something else. This is a universal kit. It's actually made for a vehicle, I think. So it should work with pretty much any machine. So it doesn't matter if you have a Polaris, a Can-Am, a Honda, a Yamaha, it doesn't matter, it should work. And the other big reason why I went with this here kit is because, let's be honest, it's the cheapest one I could find on Amazon. So for the install, it's gonna be pretty straightforward. You essentially mount the reservoir in here somewhere, run power to a power source, run the lines from the reservoir to your wiper, so that way you can get fluid to the windshield, and that's pretty much it. Like I said before, this is a universal kit, so it'll work with a number of applications. You just might have to get a little bit creative on where you're gonna be mounting stuff. But for what I'm gonna do, and I think simplicity, I have this center storage bag right here that a company sent out to me to do a review on. I don't really use it for anything. I put drinks in there, but it's right on the firewall, so it gets super warm. Usually the only thing that ends up in there is like microfibers and empties when we're out riding. I was trying to think of a good spot to mount this thing. I was thinking about taking the bag right out of there and mounting the reservoir right to the firewall, but instead I think what I'm gonna do is just take it and put it right inside that storage bag, because that looks a lot cleaner than it just mounted there. And if I need to get to it to fill it, I just open this up. I can either take it out or fill it up while it's in there. Another reason why I kind of want to mount it to the access panel that was there is because, like I mentioned, the firewall's right behind it. So that fluid should stay warm when it's super cold out, and I shouldn't have to worry about it freezing so much. As for power, I think what I'm gonna do is tap into the aux beam switch panel I have in here, which the fuse block is mounted down below the passenger seat. So I just gotta run the wires from there down below to get power, hook it up to one of these buttons so that way it'll kick on when I press the button, and then run the hose up to the actual wiper itself. The kit does come with this lead that plugs right into the reservoir for the pump, and then you get a negative and a positive, which I'm just going to run to the fuse block for the switch panel, and we should be good to go. All right, you guys just seen I got it, I got power to it and it's working. I tied it into this bottom button. I'll have to find a sticker that goes on there that shows the windshield wiper or something. Them are all in the tool bag, so I have to dig them out. I just put a little bit of water in it, press the button, works like it should. So now the only thing I have left to do is run the actual tubing for the wiper fluid up to the actual wiper itself. Oh, real quick also, before we get back into the video, we just hit 29,000 subscribers on the channel, which is awesome. Shout out to you guys. I think after the new year rolls around, we're gonna open up the website and the merch store so you guys can get some merch. But I wanna keep growing this channel, so make sure you're subscribed. And I think at 30K, we're gonna do a merch giveaway. So don't miss out on that. Smash that subscribe button if you haven't already. Let's get back into it. Let's see if she works. Spraying the workbench. So with the wiper on, it should look like this. So this is what I did. I ended up taking one of them little sprayers. It's hard to see. It's up in there. And it just clipped onto the arm on the actual wiper itself. Obviously, I need to go back and trim them zip ties up. The hose, I ended up just running it up through the roof because there's a slight gap there. And I ran it all the way down and around into my little bag there, and that's where everything's at. I was checking it out. It looks like the one sprayer is hitting like the middle of the wiper here. The other one's kind of catching this thing and then just spraying it down. Good thing is once I have the wiper on and it's spraying, I mean, it's just gonna keep spraying everything. As you see, everything's soaking wet right now. So I mean, it's getting fluid. It sprays pretty good. When I first started it, it was spraying and hitting all this stuff over here. But yeah, we got the wiper reservoir hooked up. I feel like the part that everyone messes up is all these kits come with the thing to mount them down below the windshield or up top trying to spray down at it. But when you're actually driving and you have the wind blowing at you, it kind of just takes all your spray that you're spraying up and just shoves it right into the windshield, and then it kind of just dissipates wherever the wind's taking it. And for the top, I've heard people say they mounted them up there, and then while they're driving, the wind catches it and just blows it back over the roof, so it doesn't really work. So I feel like the part that everybody gets wrong, and it's a super simple fix, is just get the sprayer that attaches right to the wiper itself, and then no matter where it's at, it's spraying directly on it. Granted, we're not out riding right now. I mean, in the shop, it looks great, so I guess real world will tell if this thing's worth it or not, but for 15 bucks, I can't see it going wrong. Obviously, when you get like thick clay and stuff on the windshield, even a wiper, I mean, on a Jeep or a truck or car, whatever, it's not gonna take that thick stuff off. But if it can save you numerous amount of time getting out and spraying it and wiping it off and getting back in, I mean, all that headache, it's cutting down on costs. And I think for 15 bucks, if this thing works legit, I'm putting it on every machine I own. I should probably also mention that the hose that it came with, this is like 3 or 4 foot. Like, it was nowhere near long enough. So I'm glad that I got that kit that came with all the other stuff. There's like a bunch of T's and whatnot in there, but came with longer hose. So you guys will probably need that depending on how you're mounting that thing. I mean, instead of having to physically get out and clean your windshield off, you just flip your wiper on, press your little button, boom, she starts spraying. I think it works legit. Obviously, we're not out in the real world. We're not in the trails. So, I mean, I'll keep you guys updated and tell you if this thing actually works. Couple things to think about though is if you're doing this in your own machine, where you're gonna mount your reservoir at, because if it's in a tight spot, you gotta be able to fill it up. Another thing is you got now another maintenance thing. You don't wanna go out on a long ride and run out of fluid. So another thing to check before you go out on a ride, I mean, along with checking tire pressure, blowing out your air filter, just kind of make sure that your wiper reservoir is topped off, so that way you don't run out of fluid. But for 15 bucks, and this thing being universal, so you can essentially mount it on whatever you want. It doesn't even have to be a side-by-side. I think it's a no-brainer. Yeah, we'll have to test her out in the actual trails and see how well it works. But if it works as good as it does here in the shop, I'm putting one on every machine I own from here onward. Would I test this on a long ride? The way it's working right now, absolutely. I don't know why I didn't do this sooner. I mean, if it can prevent you from having to stop and physically get out and clean the windshield off, your buddy's waiting on you to clean your windshield, all the guys with the half windshields, you're gonna save time for not only yourself, but for everyone else in your ride. I think it's legit. But let me know down below. Do you guys think it's legit? Comment and let me know if you guys would put this on your machine. And we do stuff like this all the time, testing out these cheap mods so you guys don't have to waste your money. So if this is something you guys enjoyed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Till next time, we're out.